Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. For today's video, I'll be talking about co-washing, what I use to co-wash my hair, and how I co-wash my hair. So it's really going to be the basics. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what is co-washing? So co-washing stands for conditioner only washing, and is basically washing your hair with conditioner. Shampoo typically strips your hair of its natural oils, and we don't want that, because if you got curly hair like mine, my hair gets really dry. Like, it might look very hydrated right now because I co-wash, but my hair gets really dry super fast, and dry hair is a big issue because once your hair is dry, you're prone to breakage, you're prone to split ends, hair loss. Like, it's just a whole catastrophe, a whole drama. Like, you don't want that in your life. So co-washing helps with that big issue. Once you have curly hair, once you have thick hair, once you have chemically treated hair or colored hair, you need to co-wash because that helps you retain your natural oils and keep your hair soft, moisturized, and just healthy. And that's what we all want, right? So you're probably wondering, what type of conditioner am I supposed to be using? So as long as your conditioner does not have silicones in it, you're good to go. First of all, if you have curly hair, you're not supposed to be using anything that has silicones in it. So products with silicone create a barrier over your hair that makes it look shiny and everything, but it's basically plastic that's coating your hair, and that creates buildup, and you don't want buildup. Like, nobody wants buildup. So it's best not to use products that have silicones in them, and we should all read the ingredients of products we use. Guys, it's 2019, like, healthy goals, people, healthy goals. I know when reading the ingredients on products, you'll see very long names you can barely pronounce, but a rule of thumb, just ignore any ingredient you see with the ending on or oxine, because those are silicone ingredients. Okay people, so I'm just gonna sum that all up for you. So if you have curly hair, if you have thick hair, if you have chemically treated hair, if you have colored hair, make sure to co-wash regularly. Make it a routine, put it in your wash routine, because it will help you in the long run to keep your color pigments. If you have colored hair, when you wash your hair with shampoo, that shampoo is gonna strip your hair of that pigment. But if you co-wash, you will be retaining that pigment for a longer time, and you'll be going to the salon in a few weeks to get a touch-up or whatever. So make sure to co-wash. Co-wash is important. Anyway, also, you don't have to use conditioner for co-washing. There are products out there that are specifically for co-washing. There are co-washing products, and they're really good. And today I'm going to show you what product I use, and it is a co-washing product, and I absolutely love this co-wash. Like, this co-wash is so good, and it's so inexpensive, and I recommend you guys to get this co-wash. So here it is right here. So this is the coconut co-wash, and it has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw pimento, and sterol. So phytosterols are a type of cholesterol that is plant-based, and it just helps with hair growth and hair loss. So that's good. So the co-wash looks like this, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It has coconut in it, so why wouldn't it smell good? That co-wash is for $7 to $8. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Sally's, and you can get it online. Very inexpensive, and I do recommend this co-wash. It's thebomb.com. So how do I co-wash my hair? So it's basically just like washing your hair with shampoo. So you hop in the shower, and what I typically do is wet my hair and like scrub it with the pads of my fingers just to get any buildup and product out of my hair with water. Then I apply the co-wash like I would apply shampoo. So I just get a large amount of that. You know when curly girls use products, they use a lot. I mean a lot. So I put it in my hair, and I scrub my hair with the pads of my fingers, of course, not my nails. When you scrub your hair with your nails, you're damaging your hair follicles, and you don't want to damage your hair follicles, because when you damage your hair follicles, then you're going to have trouble growing your hair, and you don't want all of that problems, okay? So the pads of your fingers, great. I massage my scalp, scrub my hair and everything, working that product into my hair, getting it everywhere. I use a massage brush just to massage my scalp, get the blood flowing and everything. So it's really simple, it's really easy. You're basically skipping a step, which is great when it comes to a wash routine, because wash routines, well, my wash routine is like a whole day or 2 days. It depends. So it's cutting out shampoo, which is best for your hair, because like I said, shampoo strips your hair of your natural oils, and you need your natural oils. So I wanted to include this little mixture I made that keeps my hair hydrated and soft during the week. It's really simple to make, and it's just a few inexpensive ingredients. I always stress the word inexpensive and cheap, because I know buying hair products, especially curly hair products, is very expensive. Those products add up. I'll be spending a lot of money on products, so I just want to make sure I incorporate a lot of inexpensive hair products into my channel, and just inexpensive things overall, because you want to be bougie on a budget. So this is what it looks like. So right here I have 2 spray bottles. I have a spray bottle that has water alone, and I have a spray bottle with the mixture that I use to keep my hair soft and hydrated. So why I have 2 bottles is because I don't always use this one, because this one contains oil, and yes, I want my hair to be hydrated and soft, but I don't want to have oily hair, so I use this every other day or every 2 days, and then I incorporate my regular spray bottle with water. So what is in this bottle is olive oil, glycerin, conditioner, and a few drops of my scalp treatment oil from Curls, which is this right here, and you can get this at Target or on their website. This little guy right here is glycerin, and this, so if you don't know what glycerin does, is it helps lock in moisture. So the olive oil that's in this bottle is keeping my hair moisturized, plus the conditioner, and the glycerin is help locking all of that in. So this little mixture right here really helps hydrate your hair, keep your hair soft, feeling really good, and I also recommend you guys making this. Trying it is really simple to make. The ingredients are really inexpensive, and it's just a great product. I've been using this little mixture for years. I've been making it. I've told a lot of people about it, and it really does work. Like, people have told me that it works for them, so you guys should try this out. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and any questions you have, just leave them in the comment section down below. I'll surely answer them. I love answering your questions, and I love all your sweet comments you leave me. They really make my day. Like, I'm telling you, they make my day. I'm almost at 400 subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys so much. I cannot stress how much I'm so thankful for all the support I've been getting. Like, it's really a blessing. It's really a blessing, and I'm just so happy. I'm really happy, guys. Thank you guys so much. I cannot stop saying thank you, because I am really thankful. So bye guys.